In today's video, let me show you how to use Android in guest mode without setting up. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video. Now on most Android devices, there is a quick settings panel available where the guest mode option or the user icon is simply available, which you can simply toggle on. So you can just swipe down on the control center, and on most devices, as I said, you should be able to see the option of the guest being displayed. If the option is straight away not visible, you can tap on the pencil icon on the top, which is basically the edit icon, and you should be able to see the guest option being displayed on the bottom. Now, if this is not a option that is already available within your Android device, in this situation you would need to set up. So for example, on Xiaomi devices, you will be able to see the option called second space, where you'll be able to find it within special features, and you will need to toggle on the second space. So depending upon your device, you may also have a similar feature where you can simply head over to the settings. A new login profile will open up. So that's basically it on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.